So welcome back class 6 in this e-learning section, and today we are going to understand our new topic, that is estimation. I think you have also studied this in your previous class. So can you tell me, what do we understand by estimation? Literally, what is the meaning of estimation? This is my question from all of you. What is the literally meaning of estimation? How can you say something about this process? Okay, let's see. I'm writing here, it is approximation. Estimation is a process in which we try to find out the value of anything by approximation. Understood? Okay. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose I have to organize a birthday party at my home. So my parents asked me that how many of your friends are coming to join this party. So suppose I have called to 25 persons. And some have said that okay, I will try to come, but actually I am busy, but I will try to come. So what will be my estimation? Approximate, I will tell to my parents that maybe between 18 to 22 persons can come. Generally we get this kind of idea, and then our parents says okay, let us prepare for 20 friends or 20 persons. Understood? So this is called estimation. When we are not able to calculate the exact value, we go by estimation. This was a very simple example. No need to note it down. One more thing, you must have heard that whenever there is a cricket match, the commentator says that more than, or it says about 20,000 spectators were present in the stadium. So do you think that the commentator has counted all the spectators? No, not at all. But it is just an approximation, that the capacity of stadium is suppose 21,000, and he is seeing that a little bit place is also there, empty space, so you can say that about 20,000 spectators are present in the stadium. Understood? So this was the concept of approximation. Now how we have to use this in mathematics? In class 6 level we are using it just as a basic to understand how to estimate any number or any digit. Okay, so for that we must know about some rules. Look, and just let us take an example. Suppose we are asked estimate and 300, or let's say 332. Now two things are here. If I am going to estimate, it can be estimated in three ways. First, it can be written as 300. Second, it can be written as 330. Correct. Only two ways are here for this. This can be written as 300. This is also estimation, and this is also estimation. So which one is correct? To know that, first we have to make it clear that this is estimated up to which place and this is estimated up to which place. So let us try to understand. First of all, what you will do, let's see how many digits are rounded off. How many digits are rounded off? Rounded off means to make 0. This is the only digit in mathematics which looks like round. Understood? So let's see here. these two digits are rounded off. Here only this one's place is rounded off. Understood? So now this number has been estimated up to 100th place, up to 100th place. And this only the digit at one's place is rounded off. What is the next place? 10th place. So this is rounded off up to 10th place. Understood? 10th place. Getting or not? Okay. So this was that. Now listen carefully. If question normally says estimate, it means up to the greatest place. It means I have to estimate this up to 1's, 10's, 100th place. Understood? Otherwise it must say that estimate this to 10th place, estimate this to 1000 place, estimate this to lakhs place, whatever it will be, depend on the question. Okay. Now next thing, how to estimate. Rules for estimation. Rules for estimation. Here I am not writing for which particular place. As you know, it will be given in the question, or it is understood that if nothing is written, only written estimate the following, it means up to greatest place. Okay. So here I am writing rule number 1, drop down. Drop down means to make 0. Okay, let me write. Oh, drop down is correct. Drop down all the digits on the which are preceding, or let us write which are on the right side, which are on the right of greatest place. Understood? Now I will explain it also with the help of an example. Drop down all the digits which are on the right of the greatest place. Second thing, if the nearest digit of the greatest place is less than 5, then the digit in the greatest place will increased by 1. Understood? If, and also here I am writing, if it is 5 or I think no according to NCERT, then the digit in the greatest, if it is less than 5, then it will be 5 or more than 5, 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the greatest place will increase by 1, comma, if it is less than 5, then there will be no change. in the digit at greatest place. So these are the rules to estimate. I hope you all must be getting the meaning of these rules. It is clear. So now let me try to explain this with the help of a suitable example. So let's see examples. Suppose it is written estimate 2232, first part, and second part is 55,200. This is 2232 and 55,200. Let us take one more example. 46,232. Okay. By the help of these three examples, we will be able to understand the rules clearly. Okay, let's see. What I have to do in the first part, I have to estimate 2,332. And up to which place we have to estimate? So I have already told you, if nothing is written, it means you have to estimate it to ones, tens, hundred, thousand, up to greatest place, up to 1,000 place. Okay, the first rule. Now let's come to the first rule. First rule, it says drop down all the digits which are on the right of the greatest place. It means on the right of the greatest place, this is the greatest place, 3, 3, 2, these all will become 0. Understood? So it will be written as in the place of 2, 0, in the place of 3, 0, in the place of this 3, 0. Now what about the greatest place? It is written if the nearest digit of the greatest place is 5. What is the nearest digit of the greatest place? That is 3. Understood? If it is less than 5, as we can see 3 is less than 5, then there will be no change in the digit at the greatest place. So there will be no change in the 2. So it will be written as 2,000. Clear? Okay. Now let's see second example. In this example, it says that this is 55,200. Now let's see after estimation. Up to which place I have to estimate? Very good. Up to 1,000 or 10,000 place. So all the remaining digits should be dropped down. So this will be written as 0 as 0, 0 as it is, 2 will become 0, and this 5 will become 0. Now think about the greatest place. If the nearest digit is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the greatest place will increase by 1. So this 5 will increase by 1 and it will become 6. So the answer will be 60,000. Understood? Now third one. This you can solve yourself. Okay, let me. 46,232, and now directly I am writing here, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 5. So 46,232 after estimation will be written as 50,000. Understood? Okay, so pause the video and note it down. Okay, now we are in the situation to solve exercise 1.3. Look for question number 1 that says estimate each of the following using general rule. General rule means if nothing is written, you have to estimate up to the greatest place. Okay, so this we have to solve. And how? First we will have to estimate, after that we will find out the sum. So let us write here on 7:30 after estimation is equals to, now let us estimate. Again, recall the rules. All the digits except the greatest place will be dropped down. So the last two digits will be zeros. Okay. Now the nearest digit, that is less than 5. So there will be no change in the greatest digit. So this will be 700. Similarly, 998 after estimation, this will be equals to, these two digits will be dropped down and since the nearest digit to the greatest place is greater than 5, so the next digit will be increased by 1, and if I will increase 1 in 9, it will become 10. So 998 will become 10,000. Now simply find out the sum. So 700 plus 1000 is equals to 1700. This is our answer. Understood? Understood? Okay, one more part I am taking, that is of difference. D part I am taking, rest you will do yourself. That is 28,292 subtracted by 21,496. Correct. So 28,292 after estimation. This will be equals to, can you tell me the answer? Correct, 30,000. These all digits will be dropped down 1 2 3 4 and look for the digit which is nearest to the greatest place, that is 8, that is greater than 5. So the digit at the greatest place will be increased by 1. So this will be 30,000. Understood? Now let's see. 21,496 after estimation. It will be written as all the digits will be dropped down except the greatest place, and this is less than 5, so this will be 20,000. Now you know how to solve it. This will be 30,000 minus 20,000. The answer will be equals to 10,000. Isn't it? Isn't it so simple? Yes, but when it becomes simple, when you remember all the rules correctly. If you will forget the rule, you will not be able to find out the correct answer. Understood? Understood, beta? Okay. Just wait. Exercise 1.3, question number 1, part D, 7,000. Wait. Okay, so this is our answer, 10,000, but in NCERT it is given 7,000, and according to me that is wrong, because the rule says for general rule we have to estimate it up to the greatest place, and here if I will estimate it up to only 1000 place, then this will be 28,000, this will be 21,000, then we will be able to get 7,000. So there might be a mistake in the answer sheet, so this is the correct answer. Understood? Understood? Is it clear? Okay. So remaining parts you will do yourself, and one more thing is there, you have to make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction and estimate of their outcome. So there should be total 14 parts in your notebook. Understood? Question number 1, 4 parts are given, and rest of the 10 parts you will make yourself. So this all you will do in your notebook. Okay. So I think this is sufficient for today. So see you in the next video. In the next video we will be solving the rest of parts, like question number 2. That is a little bit different, because should not be solved by using general rule. There is some restriction that it is for estimating it will be rounded off up to for a given place like 100 place, and then the answer will, after that we will have to round off the answer up to 10th place. Understood? Okay. So if you haven't subscribed the channel so far, please do subscribe. If you are finding these videos helpful, hit a like button and also share it with all the needy students. Okay. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day and Jai Hind.